In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email relay automatically in Salesforce. This setup will enable you to route outbound emails through an external email server, which can help improve deliverability and compliance with your organization's email policy. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges, as this process will require making changes in the setup configuration. Once logged in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to the Setup menu. Now, within the Setup page, there's a handy tool called Quick Find. It's located at the top left of your screen. In the Quick Find box, type Email, which will filter the setup options to display relevant settings pertaining to email functionalities. Next, you want to click on Deliverability in the search results. This section manages the default behavior of emails sent from Salesforce. Here, you'll find an option called Access Level. Set this level to All Email. This change ensures that Salesforce is permitted to send any kind of email necessary for the relay to function properly. After adjusting the deliverability settings, navigate to the Email Relays section. To start setting up your new relay, click New Email Relay. In the setup process, you'll need to specify a few technical details. Begin by entering the Google SMTP server address. For instance, you might use smtprelay.gmail.com as your server address. Depending on your server configuration, you'll need to choose the appropriate port. Typically, port 25 or 587 is used. Don't forget to check if TLS is required for secure email transmission. If your SMTP relay requires authentication, you'll also need to configure it. Under the SMTP authentication settings, select New Credential. This is where you input the authentication credentials specific to your email server. You may need to consult with your IT department to ensure you have the correct information. Once all these settings are entered correctly, click on the Save button to finalize your relay setup. This step ensures that all the configurations are stored and applied effectively. Finally, there's an optional feature you might want to enable called Compliance BCC. This setting allows you to automatically send a blind carbon copy of every email sent through the relay to a designated address, ensuring compliance with company policies. If this is something you need, go to Compliance BCC in the Setup menu and enable it. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Email Relay in Salesforce. This setup will help streamline your email communications and bolster your organization's email management functions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your Salesforce experience.